Hey guys, welcome to Food Proof's back garden. Isn't it looking gorgeous? It is just the beginning of July and things are really just beautiful and green and growing really tall. So we've got some calypso beans here in front that are starting to grow. We've got a couple extra tomato plants that are growing that I couldn't fit in the front, so we're going to put them back here. We've got some cabbage and broccoli and purple cauliflower and just beautiful stuff back here. And then we've got my famous purple potted pole bean trellis where the things are just going off the chain. Look at that. They are hanging up way over the top. So I'm going to come along and grab them and tell them, hey guys, there's a little more room here. And then so I'm going to kind of just tuck them in there. Maybe I have to kind of twine it like that. And that way it'll tell them to keep going, keep going. I'm going to grab the rest of them and do the same thing. So everything's looking really good back here. It's really exciting. We've got more cabbage and broccoli and cauliflower over here, and everything's looking really good.